Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on our double flap step. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the how to perform a flap step and how to perform a walking and running flap. I will leave these videos linked below. For this step, we'll be using the ball of our foot. The ball of the foot is where the triangle tap is on your tap shoe. So standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet. And starting with the right leg first, we are going to perform the brush spring like so. Making sure that we land on only the ball of the right foot. We are then going to perform the flap step on the left leg like so. Perfect, making sure to land only on the ball of the left foot. So the right leg performs the brush spring and the left leg performs the flap step. Right leg, then left leg, like so. When performing a double flap step, there isn't a break between performing the brush spring on the right leg and performing the flap step on the left leg. For example, this would be an incorrect way of performing this step. And this would be the correct way of performing this step. Let me show you from a side view. Standing with our feet in parallel, knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet. We have the right leg followed by the left leg, like so. We can also perform this step with the left leg leading. So standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet. And with the left leg, we are going to perform the brush spring like so. Making sure that we land only on the ball of the left foot. We are then going to perform the flap step on the right leg, landing on only the ball of the right foot. So the left leg performs the brush spring and the right leg performs the flap step. Making sure that the flap step follows after the brush spring quickly. Perfect. Let me show you from a side view. Feet in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of our feet. We have left then right. Perfect. So there you have it, the double flap step.